regarding the situation that we are in here in the university. Yesterday when I got the notification through WhatsApp, immediately when I looked at that notification, I saw that nothing was correctly done. Now, I felt that the notification that has been sent to me through WhatsApp was not appropriate. Till now, I have not even received a proper or a formal letter or notification in black and white. So I do not accept this offer which has just been sent to me through the WhatsApp. And that is point number one. And when I looked at the notification, I saw that the signatory of this notification was not appropriate, and it was not coming from the appropriate authority. Thirdly, this fight that you are doing here, now I've been with you right from day one, and I support you in every way that I can. And I've been working here in this university for about 35 years as a teacher, and I have seen how the university has progressed, and I know what are the difficulties that the students are facing. As a mother and as a teacher, I really feel for the students especially, because we are here for you, and we have to see what you require and what you need. So, I really feel that this is a very good move that you have made, and I want to applaud. I want to, thank the student body for this particular issue that you have taken up. And I'm sure that everything you do, you have the support of all the teachers from both the Nehusa, the Meta, and the Nehunsa as well. So my dear students, please do not give up. Please fight for your cause, and we hope and pray that this university will grow again to its the best as it was earlier in the previous years. So once again, I would like to also inform you that I have not accepted this. Thank you so much for this privilege of giving you this information, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am.